Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep. I wrote this IELTS test because I'm looking for immigration opportunities to Canada, where the job opportunities are better in the IT space where I work. I wrote the IELTS test because it is the benchmark for evaluating English skills, and it's valid across a lot of countries like Canada, Australia, etc. I started my preparation for IELTS around 4 weeks before the test, and that is because I have been working with English-speaking clients for a long time. So I thought I needed relatively less time compared to other aspirants. My highest score was an 8.5 in listening and reading, and how I prepared for this was for listening, I listened to news bulletins from three different countries, mainly US, Canada, and Australia, to grasp the accents of the different speakers from these countries. And I also practiced the listening tests that were given by the IDB IELTS material. And for reading, I read a lot of newspaper articles, journals, etc. I also found the IDP IELTS writing section and the material sent by them with the sample writing examples are very, very helpful, because that showed the difference between a 5.5 writing score and a 7 writing score. So that was really helpful to me. And yeah, that's all from me, and I wish you all the best for the IELTS test.